In a bustling midnight market, a single cart becomes a passport, trading stories with every sizzling pan. The vendor, a quiet elder, shares a recipe he has carried since childhood, a map of flavors from distant travelers. Each bite reveals a local memory braided with the stranger's tale, from rain-soaked alleys to crowded docks. As crowds swirl, the camera follows steam, lifting secrets about ingredients, technique, and the pride of making street food a shared heritage. Global Street Food Adventures proves that even in anonymity, food forges identity through conversation and community.